Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Roha's Art. Today I will paint a flower with a new technique. I hope you all will like the full video. Please watch full video and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more beautiful painting. It really motivates me. I will tell a story today. We all love a good story. The story of how two people meet, fall in love, and live happily ever after. But what about the story of a couple who meet, fall in love, and take one day at a time? This is the story of Sarah and Tom, two strangers who shared an unforgettable first date that wasn't just any first date. It was a first date that made them both realize they'd found something special in each other. The two of them had never met before, but they decided to give it a try anyway. The date consisted of all the sweet trappings of traditional dates: flowers, nice dinners, and lots of conversation. But that's where the normalcy ended. Every day, Sarah and Tom were lucky enough to experience the same feelings all over again, like a first date. Every time, because Sarah has anterograde amnesia, meaning she can't form new memories. It may seem like an obstacle to some, but to Sarah and Tom, it was a blessing. Every day was new, full of excitement, and something to look forward to. Together, they learned to embrace the beauty of their first date every single day. It was like a breath of fresh air to start their day on the right foot and find joy in the simple things, like they did on their first date. So although their love story may seem unusual, it's still the same heartfelt love story of two strangers who found something special in each other and chose to never let it go. Do let me know in the comment section if you like my painting or want to give me any suggestion. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.